Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials. Fuel, oil level, tire pressure, chain tension, they matter for safety and clutch feel. Once done, mount the bike, set the kill switch to run, and turn the ignition on. If the engine is cold, engage the choke. If warm, skip it. Squeeze the clutch fully, select first gear, then gently release the clutch while introducing a little throttle. This balance prevents stalling and gives you a controlled, confident initial roll. As you move, focus on coordination. Smoothly match throttle to clutch for each gear change. 1 to 3 gears often covers common starts. Once moving, use the rear brake lightly while shifting to stabilize the chassis, and keep your eyes scanning ahead for 2 to 3 seconds to anticipate hazards. Position your body over the bike for balance, and when you reach riding speed, use gentle countersteering to initiate turns. These techniques build momentum while preserving traction and control. To stop, downshift progressively, apply both brakes smoothly, and pull in the clutch just before you come to a standstill. Once stopped, shift to neutral. When parked, set the side or center stand and turn off the ignition. If you stall, don't panic. Restart the engine, feather the throttle, and practice finding the clutch bite point in a safe area until your coordination is reliable. If the bike hesitates, check idle, choke settings, and clutch cable adjustment to resolve common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.